Grill hard, play hard with the only grill made for the tailgate, the Coleman Road Trip Grill. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1, pick a spot. 2, pop the grill. And 3, fire it up. It's that simple. The Coleman Road Trip Grill is portable, lightweight, simple, and is the center of your tailgating universe. Summon 20,000 BTU of propane power with the push of a button, and you are at the top of your game. There's a full family of interchangeable surfaces, from the grill to the griddle to the stove grate. This unique ability to play both sides of the grill makes you an instant MVP. When the clock has expired and the game is done, the Road Trip Grill can be stowed in a handy wheeled carry case. This protects the grill from the elements and helps keep your car clean on the drive home. From Coleman, the outdoor company.
FiveJoy compact military shovel, also known as the backcountry shovel RS model. The shovel head is high carbon steel. The handle is made of aerospace grade aluminum. The knife with the saw, it's also got a bottle opener. That's the fire steel. As you can see, no problem giving out sparks there. Fire steel itself, if you loosen that up, there you're going to find a whistle. You pull back on the collar and adjust it to where you want it. So if you want it as a hoe, you could adjust it there. Straight up, goes through here as the shovel. Nice pointed blade here. The shovel's 21 inches. With the extensions, it expands to 33 inches. The shovel head is 5.7 inches wide, and it's about 7 inches from tip to the bottom here. It weighs 2.19 pounds. You get the 2 tubes, and they attach right into the handle. All the screw-in parts have a gasket as well, so that should help keep any kind of water or moisture out of there. You extend the shovel to 33 inches. Once you pull it back and you find the adjustment, it just snaps right in. This thing is absolutely a beast. It's perfect for an emergency kit, survival, camping.
Why is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because of the sense of total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle rocker is constructed of sturdy powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.
Welcome to the Primula Cafe. Introducing the new Coffee Brew Buddy, the ultimate convenient brewing device for an effortless and great tasting cup of coffee. Anytime, any place. Just pour, brew, and drink. The Coffee Brew Buddy fits on most cups or mugs and makes a single cup of coffee at any strength. This innovative concept is not only the easiest way to brew a great cup of coffee, its slimline design allows it to slip into a purse or case, making the Coffee Brew Buddy the perfect brewing device, whether you're at home, the office, or traveling. All you need is coffee, a cup, and some hot water, and a great tasting cup of coffee, anytime, any place. The Coffee Brew Buddy does not require cartridges, pods, paper filters, or carafes. Its unique mesh filter has been engineered to create a large and deep surface area inside the cup for increased turbulence. Turbulence is water tumbling through the coffee grounds that creates that rich coffee flavor that brewers with the coffee above the cup cannot ever match. Using the Coffee Brew Buddy couldn't be simpler. Place the Coffee Brew Buddy on the rim of a cup or mug, add your favorite ground coffee in hot water, and then allow to brew until your desired strength is achieved. Making a great tasting cup of coffee is so easy and only takes a minute. And cleanup is a breeze too. Remove the Coffee Brew Buddy from your cup or mug. Discard the used ground and either rinse off or place inside the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe and reusable, so it's economical and eco-friendly. Primula and the Coffee Brew Buddy, promoting a more eco-friendly lifestyle through innovation. Primula, something extraordinary is brewing.
Hello, and congratulations on the purchase of your new Coleman Lazy Spa. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to set up and maintain your spa. Please keep in mind this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Be sure to visit your local pool retailer for information on treating the water in your spa. The most important step in setting up your spa is selecting the best location. Warning: the spa must be placed on a smooth, flat, level surface capable of uniformly supporting the filled spa's weight, plus the user's weight, for the entire time the spa is installed. Once you've found an adequate location, clear the area of any debris or sharp objects and spread out the ground cloth. Now, spread out the spa in the center of the ground cloth. Using the pump, we will inflate the spa. Plug in the pump. Warning: carefully read your manual to determine the steps required to power up the pump. Attach the inflation hose to adapter A on the pump. Attach the pressure gauge to the hose. Ensure the inner spring valve is closed so air doesn't escape when you remove the pressure gauge. If the valve is open, rotate and twist the valve to close it. If the valve casing comes loose, use the provided wrench to tighten it. Now activate the pump by pressing the lazy massage button and begin to inflate the spa. Please note, the control panel is equipped with an auto lock. Simply hold down the lock button for 3 seconds to release the controls. Once the pressure gauge reads above 1.2, the spa is fully inflated. Seal the valve. Inflate the cover. With the spa inflated, it is time to connect the pump. Ensure the seals are properly in place. Line up the letters A to A, B to B, and C to C. Hand tighten the adapters. Remove the stopper caps on the spa's valves. Note: keep the stopper caps in a safe place. They prevent water from escaping when you disconnect the pump. With the filter in the casing, screw the filter casing onto the bottom outlet valve. Attach the second filter casing. Now fill the spa. Ensure the drain valve is closed on the spa floor. Using your garden hose, fill the spa to the line specified on the wall. Warning: to avoid pump failure, the water level must reach the minimum water line but not exceed the maximum water line. To set the water temperature, first hold your finger over the unlock button and then press the heat button. Use the arrow keys to input your desired temperature. This button activates the lazy massage system, which is equipped with a 30-minute auto shutoff feature. This button activates the water filtration system. This button toggles between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Please note, after 72 hours of operation, the pump hibernates. This deactivates the heat and water filtration systems. To reactivate the pump, unlock the control panel and set your desired temperature. Attach the cover to heat and keep the spa water clean. Warning: this cover is not a substitute for adult supervision. Children must be supervised around the spa at all times. Your Lazy Spa also comes with a free chemical floater. All spas and pools require water maintenance. You should also clean or replace filter cartridges daily. To disassemble the spa, attach the stopper plugs. These prevent water from escaping. Unscrew the adapters and detach the pump. Connect the cap to port A. To drain the spa, attach your garden hose to the drain adapter. With your hose in a safe drain area, open the cap to release the water. If the pool is damaged, use the provided repair patch in combination with PVC glue that can be purchased at your local hardware shop. At the end of the season, it is important to completely clean and dry your spa, pump, and other components before storage. Use the pump to blow out any trapped water. Store the spa in a warm, dry place. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website.